Poppy Playtime 4 has revealed another monster, Pianosaurus. Creepy. They make the creepiest. I don't know how they could combine a piano and a dinosaur and make it hella scary. And I guess it's all the blood. So, landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So it's the image they released of him like behind a screen. There is like a full body cartoon image of him, but I kind of like this one. So he's kind of creepy, and like one of the keys on his mouth is lit up. Anyway, so we're going to start in the middle. I'm going to do his nose and kind of connect it to his cheeks, right? We'll start there because it's, I think, the easiest spot. So in the middle, so his head's kind of tilted, right? But in the middle, we have a V pointing up, like a little horn, just on the middle of his nose, right? And then his nose kind of bumps across underneath, so it's like a curved line here. And then his nostril, so it curves around both sides. And then this is like a triangle kind of a thing, so it goes down this way, but it's kind of curved, right? So it has a little curve just here. Kind of looks like an elephant if there was a trunk here. That's funny. An elephant with a birthday hat on. And then his nostril just here, and we'll put a little black circle just for a shadow. Okay, now his mouth comes out from here out to these round cheeks. So it's kind of here. And we'll go this far. And go this far on this side. Does that curve up a bit on this side, maybe? Right. And then we will do the bottom part. So it's kind of like a slice of watermelon, you know, that kind of shape. Or a half moon. Okay. And then we'll do his black teeth. So the black keys come down here, and like in between there's one, so there's one normal key, right? So you leave sort of an extra gap. Right, so like there's a white key like here, and then one here, and then one here, right? And there should be one here too then. And then here. And then a black key right in the middle. And then white line, white key, black here. 1, 2, so it's like every other tooth has a black one. Okay, and like one of these can be either green or red. I've seen it both. So he's got these little circular cheeks, right? Pink. And then his eyes, so they have bumps on them sticking up. And then little beady eyes inside, kind of black. Right, so it's in here, right, just in the middle between the nose and the cheeks. So we'll have like a bump. Right. Now this is green skin, so it's not like an eyeball, but his eyes are inside here. So then, like here, we've got like a weird little circle. So in the cartoon version, that's just like black, right? But in the CGI one, there is an eye line just roughly drawn. It's very dark, it's hard to see. And then there's a black pupil. Now you could just color this whole area black, but we're going to do this. Just, I think it gives it a bit more detail and makes it even creepier, because he kind of looks like he's got a mask or something. Right, so he has another horn right in the middle. And this one has a line up. And then two more. So one comes out here. And another one out this side. And then we have the line for his head. It's kind of just flat. Then down there. And if we want, he has scales, right? Sort of all drawn in. Sort of a lip line. So you want, like, you can do this kind of a thing. Little circles, sort of side by side, just to make them look a bit more dinosaur-y. Okay. And then, like, he is like dirty and stuff. So there's all these little, because he's creepy. Okay. So then he has a big green bottom lip. So we'll go around this area again. It's kind of two lines. Let's say I'll go, that could be, yeah, I'll do, so we'll go the first one, and then there's like a line around the outside of this as well. Kind of makes it look a bit 3D. Right, so say one, and then we'll go again, right? Just following the outside edge. Okay. And we'll dirty up some of these teeth keys as well. Now there is red sort of blood dripping, but you gotta, you know, like this kind of stuff. Okay, so you could draw it all in, or you could just do it with a red color. That's probably better to do it that way. But you draw it in if you wanted, of course. Just drips. Now his neck, and he's got a claw coming over like a computer screen or something. So there's these bars that come across the neck. So coming down here, right? I'll do the bars first. And his neck kind of curves this way. Okay, and this is going across, down, down here, down around. Okay, there's another one of those. Say, so we'll join. Go down there. And then another one of these shapes, right? And this way. Yeah. And then his neck goes down behind. Some stuff down there. So there's keys on his neck as well. So there's like a white section and a green section. So white in here, green around the edge, and then you have black keys. So like, say, just mark them out like that, and then curve them together. And maybe one more, but it's kind of behind the screen. So I'll just add the lines for the white keys. And then little sort of 3D lines here. And then maybe some sort of green skin wrinkles. I think this has a little sort of bolt or something on the side as well. Okay, so he's a big claw coming over here, 3 big claws, right? So we just one. Let's go a line down the middle, kind of like these. And then this one. And a third. And then like the pad of his like hand, I think, just comes out from here. His, like, I guess you'd call it like his wrist, maybe. So we'll just go around like that. You might see some of the underneath of it just there. And again, like little circles and stuff. So we do this screen now. So a ruler might be helpful just to get the top line straight. Boop. Cross. Like that, right? It's got a little black screen on the inside as well. Kind of curves around the edge. And then we got a little bit that sticks up just on the side. There. And then here. Okay. And the last thing, what else? Oh yeah, that's black key. Just there. And you can put texture and dirt and everything. Oop. Creepy. Wouldn't like this guy coming out. Oh, I'm looking at a screen right now. Imagine his head just my head. Oh, a bit of a heart attack. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.